We are now using AI automation to take emotion completely out of trading. And instead of relying on your guesswork, we have built a way to create expert advisors by EA that handle the heavy lifting for you. The best part, you don't need to be a coder and you don't need to be a math genius. And that's exactly why Primexar going live this weekend. This Saturday and Sunday, Primexar is hosting a 2-day live workshop. In these 2 days, we will take you step by step through 2 in-house trading strategies. One is a news hour trading strategy using time travel method. Second is a gold trading strategy using ATR. And then comes the interesting part. We will sit together and build an AI trading bot live on the session, right in front of you. I just want to be very clear. This is 100% a live session, meaning not a recorded session, not even a pre-built session. I'll be there with you throughout the session, answering all your queries, breaking down the charts, and making sure you understand the how and the why behind every single move. So, if you're serious about upgrading your trading style, this is a moment. Grab your seats right now before the registrations close. This is Brinda Prasad, and I can't wait to show you what we have been building with Primexar.